What is the best-selling radio on Amazon? Let's talk about it. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX, right here on HamShackTV. Just coming in from VBS tonight. Thank God that's over with, but we move on. It was a great week with the kids. Tonight's video is brought to you by World Radio League. Folks, I am so excited that my partnership with World Radio League has expanded even further. And I am excited to offer you a discount now on World Radio League paid subscriptions. Just go to worldradioleague.com, and when you sign up, it'll ask you for a coupon code at checkout. You're going to type in HamShackTV10. HamShackTV10. That will get you 10% off. They're already great prices. Also gives HamShackTV a little credit for it. Guys, I really, really believe in their product. You need to go check it out yourself. No obligation. You can sign up and try it out for free. That's worldradioleague.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV10. We appreciate them sponsoring today's episode. So, you may be new, looking to get into the hobby. Maybe you used Ham Radio Prep to get in. Well, I have a great offer for you in Amazon for what could be your first rig, or maybe not your first rig. Maybe a good, easy rig for you to get. So we're going to take a look at the best-selling HT on Amazon right now. Let's get into it. So we'll go ahead and bring it up here. Here we are on Amazon, and we have Ham Radio Baofeng Radio Long Range AR5RM 10-watt handheld and NOAA Emergency Weather Radio, 999 channels with rechargeable walkie-talkies with programming cable, USB-C charging for survival gear, hunting, camping, and it's a 2-pack. So forget all that half of garbage in that description, okay? That is just for search engine optimization, something Amazon has done here. But this is the Baofeng AR5RM. They're claiming it's 10 watts. I'd like to see some evidence of that. Most of these HTs are 5 watts, but they say it does 10 watts. But even beyond that, guys, look at all the stuff you're going to get with this particular radio. You get 2 radios, actually. This is the standard color screen, so it's a little bit of an upgraded model. You get 6 antennas, although in the picture I'm only seeing 4. Got a couple of short antennas and a couple of long antennas there. Probably one's a quarter wave, the other one's a half wave, maybe. I'm not sure. Oh, wait, here they are. You got some stubs. You got the Ivory AR805S. So you got the stubs, you got these little shorts, and you got the longer antennas. Get 2 speaker mics. You get 2 Type-C base charger, or base, plus the charger. So you got a drop-in charger there as well. You got the programming cable you can use for chirp. You've got an earpiece with a PTT on it. You got 2 speaker mics. This is a fantastic deal, y'all. You get 2 of them, and it's only $56.49 as of this recording. $56.49. Again, this is the most popular HT on Amazon. Go check it out. Use the link down in the description down below. So really short video, guys, tonight. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And also want to say thank you to World Radio League for sponsoring tonight's episode. Go check them out, worldradioleague.com. You get a free account, but you get a lot of extra features with a paid account, and I can offer you a discount, 10% off. Use my coupon code at checkout, HamShackTV10. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out HamShackTV.com. We'll be back on Thursday night for sure. Tomorrow night, actually, if you're watching this on Wednesday, for the HamShackTV Trading Post and Roundtable. It'll be a great time. We'll see you on the next one. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.